Ensure your Wi-Fi router is turned on and functioning. Make sure your HP OfficeJet Pro 8720 printer is powered on. Have your Wi-Fi network name, SSID, and password ready. On the printer's control panel, press the menu button. Press Network Setup. Press Wireless Settings. Press Wireless Setup Wizard. The printer will search for available Wi-Fi networks. Select your Wi-Fi network, SSID, from the list and press. When prompted, enter your Wi-Fi password using the keypad on the control panel. Use the arrow keys to navigate between characters. Press the OK button after entering the password. The printer will attempt to connect to the Wi-Fi network. A confirmation message will appear once connected. Open Google Chrome and in the search bar, type HP OfficeJet Pro 8720 printer driver and hit enter. From the list of search results, go to the Brother official website. On the product page, click on the Drivers tab. Select your operating system version, example Windows 10, Windows 8.1 or Windows 7 from the drop-down menu. Scroll down and find the driver section. Click on the Select button next to the driver you want to download. Click on the Download button. The driver will start downloading. Once the download is complete, click on it to begin the installation. Double-click on the downloaded driver file to start the installation process. Follow the installation wizard. Accept the license agreement and follow the on-screen instructions. When prompted, choose the connection method. Select wireless connection. The installer will search for your printer on the network. Once found, follow any additional prompts to complete the setup. Follow the video instructions.